All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive.
Yeah.
Um, Today, we're looking at the pretty dramatic consequences
Mm-hmm.
of something that you might think is super mundane,
Mm-hmm.
like
Wow.
air duct cleaning.
Yeah.
We found this crazy case study from a company called Bees Air Duct Cleaning.
Interesting.
And they specialize in cleaning air ducts in all sorts of facilities. But
Oh, wow.
this one really caught our eye.
Yeah.
It features a marijuana grow facility called Front Range Biosciences.
Okay.
And they had this, major contamination scare that
Oh,
could have taken down their entire business.
wow. Yeah, you don't want to mess around with contamination,
Nope, not at all.
especially in a grow operation.
Especially when there's, serious
Oh,
regulations
absolutely.
and consumer safety's on the line.
Yeah, for sure.
So we dug into this case study,
Mm-hmm.
and we're going to break down what happened, how Bees air duct cleaning saved the day,
Right.
and what this means for, the rest of us.
Yeah.
So first of all, Front Range Biosciences, this place was not a small operation.
No, not at all.
They had 9 rooftop HVAC units.
9.
9.
Wow, that's a lot.
Serving their entire grow area.
Yeah, that's a serious operation.
Which is why this contamination thing was such a big deal.
Right. I mean, think about the scale of that.
Yeah.
You've got plants everywhere.
Yeah.
All these delicate systems.
Right.
And if something's wrong with your HVAC,
Oh, it's going to spread like wildfire.
exactly. It can impact everything, the temperature, the humidity, the airflow.
Right. I mean, we're talking about a marijuana grow facility here.
Yeah,
So those things are super important.
they're crucial. You need that precise control over the environment to ensure the plants are healthy.
Right. And to make sure they actually grow.
Yeah, exactly.
So how do they even figure out that something was wrong with the HVAC system?
So they were doing routine testing,
Okay.
which is honestly a lifesaver in these situations.
Yeah.
And that's how they found it.
Okay.
Illegal pesticide residue.
Oh, no.
Yeah, lurking in the ductwork.
So it wasn't like they were seeing, wilting plants or anything.
No, it wasn't that obvious.
Okay.
But the tests revealed the contamination.
So, what kind of pesticides are we talking about here?
Well, the case study doesn't specify the exact type,
Okay.
but the fact that they were illegal is a huge red flag.
Yeah, for sure.
It means they weren't approved for use on marijuana,
Right.
which could have led to all sorts of problems.
Like legal trouble.
Oh, absolutely.
Fines.
Yeah, potentially even criminal charges.
Wow.
And then there's the whole issue of consumer safety.
Right, people could have gotten sick.
Exactly. It's a really big deal.
So they caught this contamination, thankfully,
Thankfully.
early on.
Yeah,
But then they have this massive task in front of them,
right.
cleaning 9 rooftop HVAC units.
Yeah, that's a daunting task.
That does not sound fun.
No, it doesn't.
So how did Bees air duct cleaning even approach something like that?
So they had this two-step solution.
Okay.
First, they power washed the entire metal ductwork.
Power washed. Like with a pressure washer.
Like a pressure washer.
Really?
Yeah, they blast away all the contaminants with high-pressure water.
Wow.
It's actually pretty effective,
Yeah.
but cleaning alone isn't enough.
Right, because you could still have leftover residue or something.
Exactly. And you want to prevent future contamination as well.
Yeah, of course.
So that's where the second step comes in,
Okay.
encapsulating.
Encapsulating, what does that even mean?
So they seal the duct board with a special coating,
Oh,
and that creates a barrier that stops contaminants from getting into the airflow.
so even if there's a spill or a leak or something?
Exactly. It's like an extra layer of protection for the HVAC system.
That's really smart.
It is. It's a proactive approach.
So they basically cleaned everything out really, really well
Mm-hmm.
and then sealed it up tight
Yeah,
to make sure that nothing else could get in.
exactly.
But wouldn't it have been easier just to replace the whole system?
You'd think so, right?
Yeah, I mean, 9 rooftop units.
Yeah, that's got to be expensive. Super expensive.
It would have been a huge financial hit for Front Range Biosciences.
Like, how much are we talking?
Hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Easily.
Easily, if not more.
Wow.
Plus, you have to factor in the downtime.
Right.
They would have had to shut down their entire operation.
While they install the new system.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the cleaning and the encapsulation, even though it was a big job,
Yeah.
it was way more cost effective.
And they could keep operating.
Exactly.
So they really dodged a bullet here
They did. They really did.
by catching that contamination early,
Yeah. And by having a solid plan in place to deal with it.
which is a good lesson for everybody.
It is. It really highlights the importance of proactive maintenance,
Mm-hmm.
regularly inspecting and cleaning your HVAC system,
Yeah,
especially in these kinds of sensitive environments.
right.
It can save you so much trouble in the long run.
And money.
And money, yeah.
It makes you think about our own homes and workplaces.
Right?
Like, are we paying enough attention to our air quality?
It's a good question. Like, we don't really think about it
No, we don't, but we should.
until there's a problem.
Exactly. And this case study, it's a good reminder
Yeah.
that something as simple as air duct cleaning can have a huge impact on everything.
Our health.
Our health, our safety,
Illnesses.
our businesses, everything.
It's definitely something to think about.
Absolutely.
So if you are out there
Yeah.
and you're concerned about your air quality, maybe you're in the industry,
Yeah.
maybe you're just a homeowner,
Right.
go check out Bees Air Duct Cleaning.
They know their stuff.
Their website has a ton of information,
Yeah. It's a great resource.
and they can help you figure out if you need to take action.
Definitely worth a look.
All right, everybody, that's it for this deep dive.
Thanks for joining us.
Catch you next time.
See ya.
Bye.